Okay. Welcome back. It's really starting to kick in. This is the Power XL Vortex Air Fryer 5 and 7 quart models, products that excel booklet. And today we're on page 8. And we're getting ready for the kale chips recipes. And I just want to do another plug and let y'all know that this is America's number one favorite air fryer recipes. Yes, that's right. There are contests out there, there are judges, there are rankers for America's number one favorite air fryer recipes list. And I got it right here just for y'all. So in our booklet, we're going to turn to page 8. If you're hard of reading, that's why I'm here to make this audible and clear for you. There are actually 2 recipes on this page today. Let's go with the first one. Kale chips. Ingredients for the 5 and 7 quart device, which serves 4. 2 bunches of kale, 2 tablespoons of olive oil, 1 teaspoon salt, half teaspoon ground black pepper, half teaspoon granulated garlic. Those are the ingredients. I'm going to read those again with the measurements said a different way. Ingredients, 2 bunches of kale, 2 tablespoons of olive oil, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1/2 teaspoon of ground black pepper, 1/2 teaspoon granulated garlic. Directions. Directions. 1. Remove the stems from the kale and break the kale into pieces. 2. In a bowl, toss the kale with the olive oil, salt, ground black pepper, and garlic. 3. Lay the kale in the air fryer's basket. Select the dehydrate preset. Set the cooking temperature to 130 degrees Fahrenheit, equivalent to 54 degrees Celsius, and the cooking time to 2 hours. Start the process. Okay. And the next recipe, dried orange slices. Ingredients for the 5 and 7 quart device, which serves 4. 4 medium oranges, sliced. Directions. Directions. 1. Lay the oranges in a single layer, trident layers, in the air fryer's basket. Select the dehydrate preset. Set the cooking temperature to 125 degrees Fahrenheit, equivalent to 52 degrees Celsius, and the cooking time to 10 hours. Start the cooking process. Okay, I want y'all to hear me again. Those kale chips, that's a 2-hour cooking process. These dried orange slices, 10 hours of cooking time. Do what you will with that.